Hello and welcome to a new series of videos. We are looking at IEB's paper 2 from November 2022, and I think I've pretty much got like almost all the section B questions coming up in in this series of videos that are going to be released. Oh man, such a long sentence. Anyway, but welcome. And without further ado, let's get into it. Question 6 today. In the diagram, A, B, C, D, and E lie on the circle with center. Oh, okay, we've got a center of a circle, which is exciting. I immediately want to see some radii. So we've got one there, another one there, another one there. We have a diameter. We have an angle that is being subtended by the diameter, which is cool. Then also when we have these, so A, B, C, D, and E lie on the circle, that also makes me think, okay, do we then have cyclic quads? So A, B, C, E is a cyclic quad. A, C, D, E is another cyclic quad. I think that is about it. Yeah, I think that's all we're getting. So, okay, so those are some things jumping out at me up front. Cool, then we're told AC is perpendicular to OB and they intersect at F. Okay, so the F is kind of flying randomly there, but it's that point over there. So these two are perpendicular, okay. AC is a chord. This is a line coming from the center, perpendicular to this chord, meaning that F must be the midpoint of AC. Okay. AOE is a straight line. Ooh, that's very important for them to say, because I just assumed it's a straight line because it looks like one, but don't do that. Okay, so what we knew up front is that AO is a radius, OE is also a radius, but that's not to say that it's a straight line. The same way that AO is a radius, OB is a radius, but this is not one straight line. So, right, okay, very good that they clarified that for us, because blink, 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 blink. Right, and then we're told A1 is 38 degrees. Okay. Right, so let's fill that in. I'm gonna need my little zoomy powers here. Come here. I want to write 38. Oh, does it have to be so blurry, guys? That's better. Okay, cool. Right. We need to determine C1. Oh, that's quick. That's the 90 because diameter. So A, O, E. Okay, we don't need to do that there. We can just say C1 or C1 is 90 degrees because angle in semicircle. And I would just put another explanation here that AOE is a diameter. Okay, right, so I gave this a whole page. I'm just going to move this up. Right, so the next question is determine the size of D. Okay, so D is part of one of the cyclic quads we identified up front. It is opposite to this guy, A1, so we know that opposite angles in a cyclic quad are supplementary, so D is going to be 180 degrees minus A1 because opposite interior angles of cyclic quad CTEA. So that is going to be 180 degrees minus, not A1 again, 38, which is 142 degrees. Should probably be filling these in as we go, hey? So that's a 90, and that one over there we have now found is 142 degrees. Okay, right, then, so I need to just delete this page, be gone, and then move this guy up. Go, 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 fly, little one, fly. Okay, right. The next angle whose size we need to figure out is ABC, which is part of this cyclic quad. So if I can figure out what E is, then I know what that is. Okay, and I can figure out what, not E, specifically E1, sorry, not the whole of E, just this part. And I know what that is because I know those two, so I can use angle sum in a triangle to figure out that one, and then get this guy. Okay, so E1 is equal to 180 minus A1 plus C1, and that is because angle sum of triangle ACE, so I'm going to put a squiggly do over there, right, so that's going to be 180 minus 38 plus 90, and that is 180 minus 128, which is equal to 52 degrees. Okay, and now that we know what that is, then we can figure out ABC, because opposite angles of a cyclic quad are supplementary. So ABC will be 180 minus E1, because opposite interior angles of cyclic quad A, B, what's the top vertex there? C, E, right? Yes. So that will be 180 minus 52, which is equal to 128. Huh. Sorry, it's just interesting that we saw 128 here. So I'm guessing that is a general thing, that if you have, if you have this situation where you have angle and semicircle, so you have a 90 there, so these two will be equal to 90. Where's this going in my head? I don't know where it's going. Anyway, I don't know. There's just something interesting there that someone can unearth when they feel like having a bit of fun. Right, so ABC is 128 degrees. Okay, time to delete another blank page. The last question says, if AC is 8 centimeters and BC is 5 centimeters, determine the length of BF. Oh, so they've given us AC, they've given us BC, and they are asking us for BF. Okay, so we are using the fact that this is bisected. Oh, wait. This is a 90, so then we can use some Python to figure out that. Okay, so first of all, we have to say that FC is equal to half of AC, because perp line AC, what? Perpendicular line OF from center to chord AC. Okay, so that means it is half of 8 centimeters, so it's 4 centimeters now, right? Then we know that BC is 5, we've been given that. We know that angle BFC is 90, because we've been, we can just be super we've been told that AC, given AC perpendicular to OB in the question. So therefore we can say that BF squared is equal to BC squared minus FC squared, because Python said so. So that is going to be 5 squared minus 4 squared, or if you already know your 3, 4, 5 triangle, you could just go straight to the answer, I think. So BF will be the positive square root of 9, which is 3 centimeters. Right, and that's that on that. Okay, not too hairy. Definitely a warm welcome to this paper for me. Question 6 is just double check the answers. Yeah, all of them are like 1 or 2 liner proofs. And of course, if you are, one of those people that takes the scenic route to get to the answer, that's also perfectly valid, as long as you're, well, not even as long as you arrive, just as long as you are wrestling, grappling. That is really the important thing. Yeah, okay, I could go on a ramble about that for a little bit, but really, in the bigger scheme of things, marks aside, you trying and grappling is the thing that matters more than actually just getting the right answer. Okay, right. Let's dimmer right there, and see you next time for another ramble.